Hi guys, today we're going to review Princess Twilight Sparkle Cutie Mark Magic. Let's go and review our toys. So here we go. Got Princess Twilight Sparkle Cutie Mark Magic, and we've got two reviews today. We've got Applejack behind Twilight Sparkle. Yay! They can be friends. Let's open them up. I'm open Princess Twilight Sparkle. She's a princess, and I just opened like this. Not great at opening toys. Let's see, what can we open? Hey, open it! Yeah. Yes. I finally opened it. Yeah, we open it. We got these pieces. I don't know what it is, but this is it. We've got the princess. Oh, no. Got the princess here. Woohoo! Yay! Princess Twilight Sparkle, yay! So let's get her out of this package. Come on. You'll stuck your mane. So her mane got stuck. Finally, I got Princess Twilight Sparkle. So I need to remove this thing. I don't even know what this thing. Come on, get off. Oh, we left that later. Can we? We'll open that later. Because I hate this thing. Finally. Her crazy. Her hair gone so crazy. She can finally. Oh, so she got some doors. She got fly. So let's smell her. She smells so good. And she comes with this charm. See, there's charm. What if we make it as a crown? Well, it's like better like a crown. It looks like a crown. Come on, let's try it to make it like a crown. So funny. Come on, open up. Open this up. Ta-da! We just get up. I can't make her wear that crown. It's so hard. Just, can that be like a crown or something? Just like, woo! So let's open AJ Applejack. I did it! I see it. I see the opening. Comes with tapes and stuff. It's cool. I love these tape stuff. I guess so. Again, I have to get out that string. Let's get out Applejack here. Okay, finally got the Applejack out of a package. It comes with these. Comes with Twilight. Comes with these. So let's open this one up. See what we got. Wow, it's so fun. Let's see what they got. See what orders we can get. Whoa, that's... Oh, I just see this for a few minutes. I don't really see this much, but I think I see one of these. To tell the truth, I don't really see this blind bag figures from anywhere. Cutie Mark Magic figures. No, I don't find it. And I don't really find... I think I found Princess Cadence and Sunset Shimmer with this Twilight charm, but it's too big. I don't think we can make it. But she got a crown. That's cool. Got a water glue stuff. Wow! We can draw our Cutie Mark here. That's great! I would love to draw mine. Let's see what we've got. It's a pop pony! Yay! We got some draw up Pop ponies. I think I see one of these things. So, pop ponies. Yay, Applejack's finally got a hat. I like that. So cute. Stuck. Applejack piece stuck. Yeah, we can get these figures. Same like these. These are just the same. Okay, let's just put it down there. Okay. So let's see the ponies. The pony, Twilight Sparkle. Look amazing. Yay. Woo. Look, it's just stuck to my hair. So it's just this necklace and ding, the charm. Yeah, put it on. Yeah, we're in. Let's see Applejack. So this thing stuck still. We will let her a bit of a bath after this. Oh, she can't really open much. Oh, so hard. So hard to open this thing. Maybe we'll open that later, because I don't really like this thing. Just cut her hair. Nope. AJ doesn't need any haircuts. She don't really mind, right? Finally, I get it off. Yay. And Applejack's some crazy hair. So funny. I like that. She got some crazy hair, some movable hair. I've got some necklace in my hand. Your neck. Come on. Get that out. Can make her like a crown here. See? Just sticking out that one. And try her on. Try it on. Applejack looks very great. Oh, no. It's very great if it can be a crown or something. Look, she can wear like a crown. Look. Ta-da! Bunny crown. Just put it there. And that's my review from the My Little Pony Cutie Mark Magic, Applejack, and Twilight Sparkle. Well then, see you later, guys. Bye!